Hello everyone, this is Jay and I'm back to making my Friday videos of what am I buying today as a DCA investor. I haven't been as active these past few weeks on X and here on YouTube, but I should be back to normal moving forward. I was working a lot of extra hours, mainly in my second job, but thanks to those extra hours, I was able to earn some extra money, which I'm gonna be using some of it, and I used some of it already to pay off one debt that I want to pay off a little bit faster. I'm going to show you guys some screenshots and I'm going to give you guys some details on it on Sunday's video. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And let's go first into the dividend portfolio, which is this one right here. And as you guys can see, if we take a look at the total market value, it's at $17,662. Last week I was at over $18,000. So it has taken a hit this last week, but that will give me some opportunity to buy some of my positions at a cheaper price. Right now it is in the green by 13%, this portfolio. And if you guys take a look, Visa, I highlighted the dividend because they just gave a dividend increase to 59 cents. If we take a look on my updates tab, I took a screenshot. Visa increases dividend by 13%, 13.5% to be exact. Payable on December 2nd. Ex-dividend date is November 12th. So any shares that you hold by the closing of November 11, you will be getting paid this new dividend from Visa, which is awesome. And one reason why I've been buying Visa on a weekly basis is because of this dividend increase. They always increasing the dividend by double-digit percentage in this company. And let's go into the weekly challenge so you guys can see that I've been buying Visa on a weekly basis, and this one was the pick for October. So I bought $35 on October 29 at a share price of $284.82. It picked up for me 0.122 shares. And if we go back into my dividend portfolio, you guys can see that I am at 3.779 shares, very close to my goal, which is 4 shares. But I'm going to continue to go up because my next goal is going to be 5. And then I might even want to get to like 10 shares at least of Visa. And I'm going to continue growing it for the future. I'm planning on holding long term. Hopefully this is one position that I'm holding in my retirement, like, 25 years from now. I don't know, but definitely one position that I want to continue growing, and hopefully the company continues to do very, very well. And one other company that I'm gonna be buying because I've been seeing a dip is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. I'm at 7.1 shares. Share price right now is at $159.86. My cost per share is at $157.55. That's why I'm in the green, but only by 1%. I want to nibble on this one also, like I do with all my holdings, at least $10 or something like that. I can continue putting into these companies on a weekly basis, but this is one that I'm buying today as a DCA investor. And then Vici is another one that I'm not sure if I'm buying today, but I really want to deploy some of this cash that I have on Vici. I have $328 in cash right now. I'm at 19.9 shares. I want to buy at least 5 shares of Vici. I want to get to 25 shares. And right now the share price is at $31.76. And my cost per share is at $30.01. I'm in the green by 5, almost 6% pretty much in this position, but I want to buy some more. I want to grow my dividend income on these months, on January, April, July, and October. Those are those off months that I get paid a much smaller dividend. I want to grow it so I get a little bit closer to my end of each quarter payment, which is March, June, what is it, September and December, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, March, June, September, and December. That's when I get paid my largest dividend payment, which is much, much higher than those off months. So I want to grow that one, Vici specifically, and Kenview is also another one that pays on those off months. And I also want to grow that one. But another one that I'm buying today is Pfizer, which is my only position in the red. I'm in the red by 11%, but I'm at 19.76 shares as of right now. Share price is at $28.30. They just announced earnings, and it sounds like it was a top beat on the top and bottom. But let me take a look a little bit more. I only saw, I think it was like one video on it here on YouTube. So I gotta do my own research in it, in this one, in Pfizer, to see how they did, if they did well, if they did not. But I'm also planning on holding this one long term. It has a very nice juicy yield of 5.27%. That's my yield on cost actually. But since the share price is lower, they have a little bit of a higher yield when you buy any shares right now. And then of course I'm gonna make my weekly buy of SCHD, which it is at 154 shares. I should be, after today I should have 155. As you guys know, any of you guys doing the at least one share a week buy of SCHD? I'm definitely doing that right now. Maybe I even buy 2 shares today because I might deposit a little bit extra since I was able to earn like a nice nice extra money from the extra hours that I've been working on my second job. Maybe I'll buy 2 shares. So stay tuned for that too. And if we go into my growth portfolio, which is where I'm saving up some cash also, I have 6% in cash as of right now. That's without today's deposit. I have $120. This is a much smaller portfolio, which is a $1,768. 17% in the green. This one is performing much, much better. And I'm going to talk about it in a second. But I'm going to make a $20 deposit this week also. And I do want to buy some more Amazon. Amazon is one position that announced earnings last night, and it's gonna go up in share price. If we go take a look right here into stock analysis and we take a look at Amazon, pre-market today is already at $197, 6% in the green overnight after announcing earnings. I'm gonna put this earnings right here on the screen so you can pause the video, read it real quick. But operating income, if you guys see, let's take a look at net sales increase 11% year over year to $158 billion in this third quarter, compared with $143 billion in the third quarter last year. Operating income increased to $17.4 billion in the third quarter compared to $11.2 billion in the third quarter this year. And they just have free cash flow also increased to $47.7 billion for the trailing 12 months compared to $21.4 billion for the trailing 12 months ended in September of 2023. This company is just growing their free cash flow, growing their revenue, their operating income. It's just, this company is growing so much, and I should have bought before, but I wanted to see these earnings to see if it's continuing to grow, and I do believe in it even more. Honestly, every time I go, I don't know about you guys, but every time I'm driving around, there's always an Amazon one of those vans, one of those Amazon vans, or somebody dropping off Amazon packages in their own car, but there's like Amazon packages everywhere. And that's just with that side of business. They also have AWS, they have Prime Video, they have so many other businesses that they're making money off. And Amazon is one. I need to grow this position, and I need to deploy some of this cash. I'm not going to do it right now, especially at the share price that it's going to be at. I'm going to wait a little bit, but I need to save up some of this cash to buy some more. I have less than one share. I want to buy a couple shares. So let me see. When do I buy? I gotta be patient. I gotta have some patience, like I've been having all this time with both of my portfolios, mainly with the dividend portfolio. And you guys have seen that it has been paying off. So I'm gonna have some patience, but I do want to deploy some of this cash into Amazon. Google was another one that they have very, very nice earnings. I saw a couple videos of some of my favorite YouTubers showing or analyzing the earnings, and they seem very, very good. Very, very good earnings. They're growing at a very nice pace. So this is another position that I'm happy to be holding. I'm 15% in the green in this position. Oh, I didn't say it, but Amazon, I'm 18% in the green in this position. I just wish I had a lot more money to invest. It seemed like I'm doing okay, right? I'm very proud of myself. I've been noticing that most of my positions are in the green. I'm sure yours too, because the market has been doing very well. But I feel very good with myself. I feel like I've been buying when I need to buy at the right time. Maybe I'll make mistakes. Maybe I hold too long. I don't know. But as of right now, I feel pretty good actually with my holdings. Tesla, I haven't been buying. I'm 21% in the green pretty much. And I have 1.2 shares. I'm going to continue holding. It has been going down since they went up to like $260 in share price after they had that robo taxi event. Right now, the share price is at $249. So it's been going down, but I'm going to hold. I'm going to continue holding Tesla. And then VGT, this one is very volatile because this is from the information technology sector. This one has like Nvidia, Palantir, CrowdStrike, all those companies it has in this one. That's why I'm buying on into it slowly. And I need to buy some more, but I'm gonna wait also a little bit. I'm trying to have some patience with this portfolio. I can continue growing my cash position a little bit slowly, right? And continuing to grow this portfolio. And mainly, if you're new to the channel, this portfolio is mainly to then sell in the future and buy me a nice amount of shares of SCHD and maybe some of my other dividend growth positions. That's my plan with this one. And it has been working as of lately, or it has been working. Right now, I am in the green as of right now, 17%. So that's a very good sign for me. And hopefully, maybe 5, 7 years from now, I can sell some of these positions, maybe some shares that I have. I'll probably be able to put more money into it later on in the future. You just don't know, right? Especially once I announce my debt that I want to pay off, because that will give me some extra money to put into these portfolios. Mainly, I'll probably grow a little bit more the dividend portfolio because that's what I like more. But I'll probably throw a couple more dollars into this one too, so I can grow it also. All right, everyone, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me your opinion in the comment section. I should be a little bit more active on both. I'm going to try to be active starting either today or tomorrow on X also. And I don't think I have a link to my X account on my on this channel. So let me try to post that link so you guys can go over and follow over there. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.